Welcome to this video where I will talk about the requirements you need to meet in order to make money using Facebook features. Like you see here, to make money using the stars feature, you need to have 500 followers and live in an eligible country, because the stars is not available in all countries. For in-stream ads, you need to have 5,000 followers and 60 total eligible minutes viewed at least in the last 60 days and 5 active videos in your page. But in the engagement bonus, there is no requirements, it's only by invitation. So you need only to create good content that make your audience engage, and you will receive the invitation. And from our experience, after 30 days of creating good content, we start receiving invitations in all our pages. That was all in this video, and see you in the next one.